In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Barclays Bank app for 2025. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or just need a bit of a refresher, I'll guide you through the process in a way that's easy and straightforward to follow. To get started, make sure you have your smartphone handy. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Barclays app if you haven't already. This is an essential step as it's the main portal for managing your banking on the go. Depending on your device, go to your respective app store. If you're using an Android device, that's the Google Play Store. For iPhone users, head over to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Barclays and look for the official Barclays UK app. Once you've found it, go ahead and tap Install to get it onto your device. Having the correct app is crucial, so make sure it matches the official Barclays branding to avoid any complications. Once the app is downloaded and installed, open it by tapping the Barclays app icon on your phone's screen. When you launch the app, you'll be greeted by the home screen where you want to choose the option to log in. This is your gateway to accessing your personal banking details. Now, when it comes to logging in, there are a couple of ways to do it depending on what suits you best or what you've set up previously. If you've chosen to use a passcode, you'll want to enter the 5-digit code that you created when you first registered the Barclays app. This passcode is unique to you and acts as a security measure to protect your information. Alternatively, if you're a fan of using biometric authentication, the Barclays app has you covered. If you've enabled biometric login on your phone, you can simply use your fingerprint or Face ID to log in quickly and securely. This method adds an extra layer of convenience since it takes just a quick scan to get you through the door, so to speak. Now you know the steps to access your Barclays account through the app. Whether you're checking your balance, making transactions, or managing your finances, gaining access through the app is streamlined and simple. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Keep your banking secure and have a wonderful day.